Your cat can really suffer from hairballs. Cats lick themselves a lot, and the hair might get stuck in the stomach if they can't get it out. Cat grass helps, but it tends to make them throw up, which can be a little uneasy. That's why I've decided to just feed her these hairball relief tablets, and she absolutely loves the taste of it. These might look like pills, but they sure don't taste like them. Consist of high-fiber ingredients, which help them smoothly pass out the hairballs through the digestive tract. This feels much better and more relieving than just vomiting. The vitamins and omega-3s in it can also give my cat a shinier and healthier coat.